Welcome back to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone. Since you guys love scrapbook tutorials, so we are up with another scrapbook video for you all. It is basically a customized love theme scrapbook. We have taken animal babies here and tried to correlate it with a similar quote. There are total 20 cards and each page is having different animal baby with its unique quote. So it's a very cute gifting option for the lovers. We are sharing the full tutorial so you can make it yourself or you can even order from us. To place your order, you have to WhatsApp us on the number which is given in the description box below. In case you want to make this yourself, we can even provide you with the PDF. So you can order the PDF for just ₹50 on our WhatsApp number. It took us about 2 hours to customize the PDF and hence we are charging a very minimum amount for the same. Hope you understand that. And rest, if you don't want to create this scrapbook yourself, you can directly order from us as said before. But before watching the video, please make sure that you subscribe our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, you have to take 20 pages like this and fold it into half. And next are these printouts. We have taken the printout of the PDF which we have personally customized. It's a printout on a A4 sheet and on one A4 sheet we have taken two stories like two baby animals on one A4 sheet. Aren't these so cute? The best part is that the animal and the quote is in correlation with each other. Somehow we tried to correlate it with the animal. So if you read it carefully, then you will get to know that how we have correlated it with the animal. So you can pause the video to read it. Next we are cutting out the stories and we are going to cut out the animal and the story separately. This is a mini paper trimmer from Dress My Craft brand and the link of this product is given in the description box below in case you want to buy this product. The product is of very high quality and it gives precise cutting very quickly. So now we have cut out all the 20 stories, and as you can see, each story is having a baby animal and its related quote. Now using the round corner punch from Dress My Craft brand to curve out the edges. You can even use scissors for the same if you don't have this punch, or if you want to buy this punch, then link is given in the description box below. And if you don't want to do this step, then you can skip it. Now glue each story on a card. So basically 20 stories on 20 different cards. All 20 cards are ready now, and next we'll be making a box for keeping these 20 cards. Here we are using Hydrangea Lawns paper pad from brand Dress My Craft. The product link is given in the description box below. Now we'll be decorating the lid of the box by giving it a shaker theme. using these beautiful sequins from Dress My Craft. The product link will be given in the description box below. It took us a lot of hard work to create this album and we have customized it personally. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so it will motivate us to bring more such videos in future.